Good morning, everyone. You guys are highly welcome. As you can see, this is a local strawberry farm in VOM, Jos Plateau State. I'm here to welcome you and to take you around to see the activities we are doing here locally. I'm happy to welcome you guys and also to take you around.
Jos is the only place in Nigeria you are allowed to harvest strawberries, fresh, good-looking strawberries. From the buzz of the city to the calm of nature, our journey today brings us to the farm, a true symbol of growth, life, and sustainability.